Қазіргі сабақты бастамас бұрын сілтемедегі слайдты ашып алыңыз.
Let's practice. Let's do this exercises because as maybe you have been like met or seen that vocabulary is very important. To know like the proper knowledge of synonyms and antonyms is very significant in IELTS examination, right? Okay, you should here actually the words are already divided in the two parts, so I'm sorry for that, but let's just read it. Okay, advantage, synonym, benefit. Aim, synonym, purpose. Consequence, outcome. Difference, discrepancy. Factor, influence. Hazard, risk. Difficulty, problem. Just learn these words because you will need them later while doing the text, while answering for the questions. Maybe you have already needed them on last classes and you didn't know them, but I guess now it will be helpful for you. Next, practice. Complete these spaces with the words from the box. You can pause this video and after check it with me. Here, first answer A. The role played by the individual in maintaining traditions. B. The problem of protecting culture from outside influences. C. Different strategies to combat vandalism of historical sites. D. Reservations about benefits of globalization. Action. E. Action taken to improve historical sites of international importance. And F. An outline of various strategies to promote the speaking of Chinese. Let's revise the matching heading. Let's do the exercise number 4 on the page 47. Here, firstly, let's answer for some questions. What do you think the topic of the text is? Yeah, you can see that there is also cultural words, the culture. So maybe the word is the topic is culture, right? Which organizing words are used in the headings? Underline them. Based on your answers to A and B, which is the most likely heading of paragraph A? D. What does the plural in the word interpretations indicate? Next, here, for example, various interpretations. Organizing word interpretations. It means in this answer, in this heading, there will be names of other researchers because they interpret something. Okay. The problem of explaining what a culture means. Here, organizing word is problem, synonym issue. Number 3, a definition of culture based on shared behavior. A definition, organizing word. Defining our culture is not only a matter of observation, there is an organizing word. Number 5, it's indefinite article. Number 5, the main reason for difficulty in investigating culture. Main reason, be careful, not just reason, yes, synonym of which is factor or cause. The main, synonym, major, or other. Number 6 is the discrepancy between personal explanations and the real reasons for cultural behavior. Discrepancy, synonym, different. It's an organizing word. Okay. Now let's practice. Underline the organizing words, mark the phrases to the paragraphs on page number 48. Okay. Which phrase matches the whole text? Okay, organizing word. Let's read. The first, the idea. Second, the fact. Third, the fact. And four, various anthropologists' ways of looking at the concept of culture. As you can see, there are lots of names of anthropologists, and I guess the number is, the right answer is 4, maybe. Next strategy for today's class is matching names. Matching names. It is used in IELTS reading part several times because, and don't be afraid of it. It's really easy if you know this strategy. First, what should you do? You should find the name in the text. First you look at the question, find the names in the question, and after search for this name in the text. Put in the brackets the information or underline it if you're taking the computer, highlight it if you're taking the computer delivered IELTS, but if you are just paper-based IELTS, just put in the brackets the words or everything about what this author thinks, says, and investigated or something. Okay? Next, underline the keywords from the text and match them with the keywords from the question. And that's all. You should, after this step, you should already be familiar with the type of the question and find the suitable answer. Let's practice. Exercise number 11 on page 49. Margaret Mead. Find Margaret Mead in the text. Underline your word and search for the keyword in the answers from A to G. Your answer will be, for example, for 1, it's maybe C. I don't know exactly, I'm just predicting, okay? It may be C. Number 2, maybe D, or But the main thing, what I want to tell is, your answer will be letter. No, not the whole sentence, okay? Be very careful. Next, Chris Argyris and Donald Sean. Okay, find Chris Argyris and Donald Sean. So let's do it together. I'm looking at the passage. So it's number 6, right? Yeah, here I found Chris Argyris and Donald Sean. Point out what people say to explain their cultural behavior and what really drives this behavior are often widely different. So, answer is D. The reason people give for their behavior are often different from why it originally developed. Very easy, right? Because only this choice, only this answer contains the most synonyms for the words of Chris Argyris and Donald Sean. That's why it should be your answer. It's actually what you should do in the next questions, in the next researchers, for example, Claudia Levi-Strauss and Max Weber, find their words and find the answer which contains most of the synonyms in the text. And that is all. Okay, so wish you good luck.